Hello, this is with a company called.
Hi.
Hey, yeah, it was. So yes, I just spoke to the office and they said I should give you a call.
Wow, that's generous. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, because she says so what we do is that we work with builders and construction companies to install low voltage wiring, security cameras, smart home, and AV tech.
Oh, sure. Okay.
For easier installations in your building processes. And your colleague said that you guys sub out that work.
We do set out that work. That's true.
That's wonderful. Yeah. So we specialize in low voltage cabling as it pertains to expert network installation. So we provide a turnkey network design.
Great. Awesome.
Yeah. And so, so it's guaranteed network Wi-Fi performance to the whole home and property. And so we have like a 2-year white glove repair or replace warranty on all hardware. And so we guarantee and warranty our wiring and systems. And we are, just want to throw out there, we're one of the top 5 network installation companies in the state. So we're one of the top installers by volume here in the area.
Solid. Are you union or non-union?
Non-union.
Okay. If you want to send me an email with your information, we can add you to our bidder list for any future low voltage needs.
Of course. So first, what is your email? So that's and then with an at the end.
Yep. That's us.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. What's your service area?
We mostly do work in the kind of proper, and a little bit in the sometimes, and up in the as well.
So you said all like
Yep.
Most all, and then.
Okay,
great. So would it be okay? Because I'm definitely our founder of the company, his name's. So he's gonna send you out an email. Would it be okay if, after you've looked at the email? Would it be okay if he gave you a call back on Thursday?
Sure.
Okay. What time would be good for you?
I'm around.
Okay.
Generally speaking.
How is
That's true. In the afternoon is better.
Okay. How is Pacific?
Fine.
Okay. That's gonna be on Thursday the 15th. And then, do you have? Do you have any upcoming projects? For smart home and Wi-Fi, or
So we don't do residential, but we do have upcoming projects. Yes, that have data needs. So yeah, we do.
So you say you don't use you don't do residential.
Correct.
But you do have upcoming low voltage wiring projects.
Yep.
Okay, great. All right. And then, so we will, like I said, we'll send you over an email, and then we'll send you a calendar invite for the phone consultation for the 15th Pacific.
Okay, sounds good.
We look forward to it. Have a great rest of your week.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.